What's up guys, it's Chop from Muc-Off, and today we're going to be taking a look at how to prevent rust on your bike. Rust and corrosion impact the performance of your bike and prematurely wears out your components like your chain and cassette, meaning you'll have to replace those parts more often. So the first step in preventing rust on your bike is ensuring that your bike is clean and contaminant free. Contaminants like dirt and grime can cause rust and corrosion, so making sure your bike is clean is a key part of prevention. Just clean our bike, and the last thing we want is water in those hard to reach areas, so we've got to try and drive out as much of that moisture as possible with one of these, a microfiber cloth, as well as some other products. Let's do it. Before we use any of our protectants, we need to make sure that our disc brakes are covered with disc brake covers. The first product I'm going to use is MO94, and I'm going to spray this onto the drivetrain to drive out any moisture left over from cleaning and free up any seized parts. Now we're going to drive out any moisture which is still left within the levers, the gear shifters, even the computer and the stem, because water finds itself everywhere. MO94 can be used on other vehicles like motorbikes and cars, and even around the house on things like door hinges. Anywhere you want to displace water, free up moving parts and prevent rust. Now we've driven out all the moisture with MO94, it's time to use our HCB1, which is our harsh conditions barrier. And this is going to protect against all those elements for up to 12 months. So we're going to be spraying it on places like your motor, the motor casing, and any other untreated bolts. This really is our top level protection spray, and it can even dissolve existing light rust. Now our bike is protected against the elements, it's time to lubricate our drivetrain. We have a lot of different lubricants, and the weather outside at the moment is very unpredictable. So instead of going with a dry or wet weather lube, we're going to go with an all-weather lube, an e-bike specific one. The benefits of using an aerosol lube spray is the fact that it can penetrate deep into the chain to prevent any rust from forming. It's also going to help improve the smoothness and longevity of your drivetrain too. And that is how you prevent rust or corrosion forming on your bike. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.